We just went into a tourist information centre.
For government. Big government shop.
Market.
Oh, no thanks. They're clean. They're nice and clean already.
Very nice, good clean.
Look how clean they are. Alright, New Delhi. We're going to go and tackle the streets. Natalia, where are we going?
We are going to Connaught Market, which is in New Delhi. It is the upscale neighbourhood of New Delhi.
Connaught Market, let's go. Oh, very, very hot here. It's like a really dry heat though. It's different to the heat in Southeast Asia. First time walking around in the streets of Delhi. Very, very different. Everyone we've met so far has been very, very friendly, apart from those scammers, obviously. People on the streets, even the salesmen and that, they are quite pushy, as you would expect. But they're also quite friendly with it as well. They don't get angry if you don't want to buy anything. They sort of just laugh along with you. Yeah. There's a lot of ladies doing like the roadworks and sort of construction works. It's really not something you see at home. Quite an interesting observation. All right, we're in a bit of a pickle now. Because we ended up in a very deceitful situation on our first night, we're now in a position where we can't really trust anyone's information, which is very difficult when you're relying on the local people's information to get you around and help you travel the country. It feels like everyone we speak to is either trying to steer us down the garden path of their business, and I don't feel like we're getting really very honest information. Everything we decide to do that's seemingly a good idea and cheap for us always seems to be huge negatives to come along with it when you go to any of these places. Like we just went into a tourist information centre. We said, oh, we're thinking of getting the bus to Rajasthan. We've been told that that's a good way to do it. Oh no, you don't want to get a bus, you want to get the train. Oh, we've got a package train and all this, you know. It's like they put you off your idea and then they funnel you into their idea and something that's going to make them money, which obviously that's their job. That's perfectly fine. That's the beauty of these YouTube videos, is you can watch travellers. They've done the journey themselves, they know how it works, they know how it went for them, they can give you recommendations. Like, where are you supposed to go otherwise? Anywhere we go, even if it's a tourist information centre, it's not free advice, is it? Obviously, everyone needs to make money. So who are you going to ask? The best thing to do is to go online, go on a YouTube vlog, see how somebody else did it before you, and then work out if that's the best way for you to do it. Fun times. We've just got a bit of digging to do.
Look at all of these monkeys in the middle of the city. Oh! No.
Oh my god, you literally just got us both attacked by monkeys.
Oh my god. The monkeys are scary as. I don't like them.
This place is sick. There are green parrots flying around everywhere. There's eagles flying around everywhere, chasing the biggest bats I've ever seen. We've just seen monkeys as well, all right in the middle of the city. What the hell? I've never seen anything like this before. As you can see, it's really, really nice around here as well. Right, there's a lot of fast-paced action going on right now, but I cannot keep up. The eagles are chasing the bats. The bats are huge. The monkeys
are chasing the monkeys.
The monkeys are fighting and scared, and yeah, the eagles are basically here trying to catch everything. But I can't believe how many eagles there are.
Oh my god, there's a peacock on the fence too.
Oh, there's a peacock as well. What the hell?
There's so many bats in this tree.
Whoa! The monkeys.
The monkey's now chasing the peacock. He looks really angry, he's staring at us.
He does look angry.
I'm actually low-key really scared of those monkeys.
Yeah, you probably should be as well.
They've got rabies.
Yeah, I saw a video about rabies the other day. You do not want that.
Because they're coming. Oh, he's angry. No.
Oh my god. Nah, no.
Here's the market.
Huh? Oh, we're going to that.
No, just moment.
Ah, all good, all good.
I don't even know. But you went Connaught Market.
Yeah.
because today Saturday, that is why we ask you. It's closed after 4 o'clock.
Ah,
I don't ask you rickshaw, no rickshaw. You can go walk.
yeah.
Just
okay.
to be save your time.
Ah, it's
Very
wonderful.
nice painting.
Thank you.
Hey, कैसा लग रहा है देखियो? यहाँ भी लग रहा है?
In Jampan.
The Imperial.
Oh, Imperial.
Oh, very nice hotel.
Very nice hotel, yeah.
You
Very
better
nice.
go other side. The government shop open. Government.
You see,
Big
Indian
government shop.
traditional market. You know traditional
Yeah.
market.
Khan Market is closed.
If you come by road this way, there is a big Indian traditional market. Everything you find, clothing, souvenir.
Only 50 rupees.
This is Indian market. Where you come from?
England.
Oh,
Alright, we're going to go and walk around here anyway, and then yeah, I'll give that a go. Thank you. Thanks, guys.
But it's closed, my friend.
It's alright. That's alright. Yeah, I like walking around here. Not really in the mood for it today. The tuk-tuk drivers, man. Hey, where you going? Where you going? No, thanks, man. Oh, where you going? Oh, you're going Connaught Market? Yeah. Oh, it's closed, Alright, well, we're going there anyway, because we like walking around here. No, come to my market, traditional market. No. No. Always no. Oh, yeah, always no.
Right, so we've arrived in Connaught Market. It's quite small, I have to say. It's literally like 3 streets long. But they've got a mixture of boutiques, vintage stores, traditional stores selling clothes, jewellery, bags. They've got Starbucks, Costa. Probably not the most traditional Indian place we've been, but this is probably not why you would come here. Connaught Market is basically just like a high street. Not particularly thrilling, but I knew that it wasn't going to be some sort of cultural experience, really. Dan, where are we going? Where are we going?
We're going to India Gate. Don't ask me what it is, because I don't know. It's that.
Ages away.
I don't actually know the significance of this structure,
Monument.
this monument.
It's absolute chaos here. Right guys, India Gate, where we are right now, is the most visited monument in all of India. There is 20,000 people that come here on the weekends alone. That is mental. What, is it the weekend?
Yeah,
Ah, that's why it's so busy.
it's very busy.
It's very, very, very busy here. It's insane, the crowds, look.
It's actually really big when you get up to it.
Look how many people there are. Right, so upon closer inspection, it appears to be a memorial for the Indians who died during the war.
Hello,
Yeah, it's not?
England.
Oh.
Travelling. Yeah, it's travelling. We only just got here, so we haven't really travelled much yet, but yeah. Yeah, very friendly. Yeah, we found that definitely. Yeah.
They're all gathering. Say hello! Hey!
Yeah.
Hello!
Everyone wants photos with Nat. This is the problem when you stop in a crowded area like this, and then we need to keep moving. Really, I'm so hungry. Oh, one by one. Oh, one more. Yeah, one. Oh, I'll do a selfie. Yeah. Thanks. Hello. Oh, hello. Hello, everyone. Oh, yeah. Nice one. Everyone, quick. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Nat, we're gonna go. Okay, last one.
That is the closest I felt to feeling famous.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, as soon as you stop, we're going in. Everyone's photos here. Let's go. Yeah, as soon as you stop for one person, a crowd builds up extremely quickly.
Another photo op.
Hey.
Finally, you got released.
Oh no. Oh man. All right, we're here in Connaught Place. As you can see, it's actually quite. Oh no, thanks. They're clean. They're nice and clean already.
Very nice good.
Look how clean they are.
Yeah,
It's because you know what it is.
the shoe white clean.
It's because I've got white socks. They look dirty. They're not.
Shoe, this white clean. Shoe white, but shoe that finish.
Ah, they're fine.
Clean.
It's the socks. The socks make them look dirty, but they're really clean. Nah, I'm all good, mate, honestly. Huh? You trying? Oh, no. Yeah. Something like that, probably. Right, as I was saying, Connaught Place, as you can see, very built up, very modernised. Yeah, it wasn't. I don't really know what I was expecting when I came to Delhi. I don't think I was expecting it to be Marks and Spencer's. Oh, kind of can't really afford Marks and Spencer's on a backpacker's budget, but I suppose we are staying at the Imperial, so it's only right that we go into Marks and Spencer's London.
Oh, it smells like my nan.
This is not food.
Oh no, they're 20 quid for them. Less
This is not food in this Marks and Spencer's. This is not what I was expecting. This is not what I want.
You want M&S food hall?
Yeah, I wanted an M&S food hall. Oh, I thought we was going to get food in here. This ain't food, mate. This is bloody clothes.
No, we're not hungry.
Right, Connaught Place for the third time. It's very, very built up. Look at it. Right in the centre of New Delhi. You kind of want your accommodation to be around in this area. There's a lot of shopping, there's a lot of decent restaurants. We went somewhere really nice last night. I'm going to show you that later on. It's the nicest Indian food I've ever had. Obviously, we're in India. It's what you would come to expect. You'd want the best food, Indian food you've ever had to be here. But it was honestly outstanding. We had gone to some other place as well. We had like this taster dish. It was all right. It was nice. It was really nice, but it was nowhere near on the level of the food we had last night. We're going to go there again tonight. I'm going to bring the camera with me this time. Wasn't expecting it to be so amazing, but yeah, look. Very grand. It's very grand here. The one thing, you can hear that beep, 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 beep all the time. It is worse here than anywhere else I've been, I think. You don't get a second without hearing a horn going off. If anybody comes up to you, which they will, and they try telling you that the way you're going is closed, where you're going is not good, it's not the best, go here, go there, go to the tourist information centre, or get a free map in here, do this, do that, shine your shoes shirt, all this stuff over and over and over again. No. Same thing as the airport. If anyone tries to divert you from your path, say no. Don't ever go with them, because it is always them trying to get money out of you. They are not trying to help you. Trust me. We have been through it quite a few times, and we've hardly even walked around in Delhi. So be very careful of that, because they are everywhere. You're walking along, they'll clock you, they'll start walking along next to you. Oh, it's really hot today, isn't it? Yeah, it's hot today, mate, yeah. Oh, where are you from? England. Oh, where are you going? Old Delhi. Oh, Old Delhi's closed. You don't want to go there now. I'll go there later. Oh, why don't you come where I'm going right now? Blah, blah, blah. It's just like over and over and over. They all say the same thing. It's the same script. You'll notice it straight away after heeding my warning. But nah, it's like, look at how grand it is everywhere. Pillars everywhere. It's very grand, and there's a lot of upmarket shops here. It's quite nice. It's quite nice around here. If you like cities and you like walking around in a upbeat city, and you don't mind getting hassled permanently, then it's all right. I'm going the wrong way.
Hey, kidney rupee, how much?
48,000.
1,000?
48,000.
48,000.
Well, you can definitely tell almost immediately that Old Delhi really is old. Believe it or not.